Hello mga friends! We're here at the Humble Beginning Cafe and Gift Shop, located at Camias Road, Project 2, Quezon City. Upon entering, we are captivated by the inviting ambience of the cafe. The beautifully designed space houses not just a cafe, but also a charming gift shop right in its heart. So whether you're hunting for a unique gift for a friend or simply browsing, you're sure to find an array of beautiful gift items here. They have their practical money organizers in different shades of colors. They also have trendy watches, also available in different colors to choose from. They have beautifully designed t shirts and polo shirts. They also have wallet organizers, foldable chic sunglasses, motivational ring, which is perfect gift for someone special, and of course, their wooden cross. So while waiting for your orders, enjoy the pleasure of gift hunting. There is another portion of the cafe that I love to have my coffee to be served, but sad to say, it has been reserved already. Maybe next time when we come back here, we can have coffee at this portion of their cafe. It's truly Instagrammable. Going to their CR, you will be welcomed by this beautiful signage, and as you enter, you can see how clean and comfort room is. Well, I can rate this cafe 100 over 10. I will surely come back here with my friends and family. This is all for now, my friends. Bye!